All right, Rob from myppctraining.com. Today's video, we are going to walk through AdWords call extensions, how they work, how to set them up, and how to optimize them to drive more phone calls to your business than your competitors can. So you should be logged into your AdWords account. As always, we're going to come over to the left side over here, and we're going to choose our campaign that we're going to be working in today to set up our call extensions. Obviously, we are still using XYZ Roofers, the fabricated example campaign we created. So we're going to go into that. We should be over here then into Overview. We're going to come down to Ads and Ad Extensions. I probably have a bunch set up already, so bear with me here a moment. I'll delete them so we can start fresh. Delete those. Okay. So under Ads and Extensions, it'll take you over to this page. And then from there, we're going to go right over here to Extensions. And this is where we're going to create our call extension. So what we're going to do is simply just create that, hit that plus sign for Create Extension. Come down to Call Extension. And this is where we're going to set up our call extension. So you can do this either at the account, campaign, or ad group level. We're going to do this for XYZ Roofer campaign only. So we're going to do campaign level, create new, and we're going to put our phone number in here for the ad extension, for the call extension. And how this works, guys, you need the phone number you choose must be on the landing page or website where you are sending the traffic to from your ads. Okay? If it's not, Google will disapprove the call extension and it won't work. So we just usually create a call tracking number with CallRail or whatever call tracking software you're using. Or if you want to use your own number that's already on your site, that's fine too. It doesn't really matter. But what you want to do is if you do use a call tracking number, is just drop it somewhere in the footer or anywhere on the website. Just so when Google crawls your page and scans it, they see that the number's on there, so they won't disapprove your call extension. So we'll just use our business number for this example. We want to do call reporting on. And you click this little, hover over this question mark. It kind of gives you a brief detail of what this section's about. And if you ever need help or get lost, this is the best way to do it too. Besides commenting below the video here. But yeah, so check that out. You can do that up here too. Count calls as a ad extension call. So we set that up in our conversion tab, which if you wanted to set up conversion tracking, you go up here to the wrench under measurement conversions, and that takes you into the conversions tab where you'll be able to set that up, which is simple. And then we come down here, device preference, it's mobile or desktop. So obviously if it's checked mobile, they're given preference on mobile devices, but are still eligible to run on computers and tablets. So you can check mobile, and it's probably the best option to do that always. But what we do, honestly, and it's, there's a lot of people do it differently, but we do too. So we'll create this phone number, and then we'll come back and create it. We'll just clone it again and then make it mobile. So we have one for desktop and one for mobile, and just let Google decide which one's more relevant at the time to show. And that's always worked out really well for us. So here's your call interaction bid adjustment. This is pretty cool. Lets you increase or decrease your bids for certain targeting methods such as location, device, interaction type, and time of day. So that's pretty cool. So you can bid higher to get more. And it'll come down here to advanced. You can set up with an ad schedule. You can do a start end date, whatever you want to do. And it's really that simple. I mean, that's it. So you would set your phone number up in here, do our call reporting, check that you want to count calls as conversion. You would make it desktop first, and then you would make another one for mobile, or you just do mobile one time. Doesn't really matter. You would hit save, and there's your call extension. All right, and remember this is campaign wide. So now what this looks like, in case you didn't see that in the last, just go back in. So in your ad on a mobile device, you'd see something like this. A little phone click icon with your phone number will be here, and somebody who's searching on their mobile device will be able to just click the phone number and directly call you. And that's why this is so powerful. And how to supercharge this is a little trick we're going to go into now. So we're going to come back out. Remember, we're still under our campaign, XYZ Roofers. We're going to come back out to the Overview tab. We're going to come down to Devices. Now let's say you only want to drive phone calls to your campaign. Okay, so instead of creating a call only campaign and jumping through all those hoops, we already have this campaign built. What we can do is just adjust device bids. So what we could do is negative computer desktop traffic 100% and bump up our mobile bid traffic. So let's say we want to do 20%. We'll bid 20% higher for mobile traffic, which is phones, and our tablet, which is like iPads and stuff like that, we will decrease by 100%. So now Google is pretty much only going to be showing our ads on mobile, and remember we have our mobile ad extension, our call extensions, and stuff like that. So we're going to be pushing phone calls hard, and that's, guys, is how you're going to crush everybody. When everyone else is just creating call only campaigns and doing all that, if you don't want to waste the time, you already have a campaign going. This is the easiest way to do it. You switch it to mobile, and you can drive more phone calls. So if you liked the video, make sure you drop some comments below. If you have any questions, stuff like that, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel as always, and check out the links in the description. Join our Facebook group. I believe there's a link below the video for the Facebook group where we go over more advanced tactics and stuff like that. Hopefully I will see you guys in the group. If not, I'll catch you in the next video.